Good morning student. Today we are going to start our lesson number 4 evolution. Now see the concept of evolution. The word evolution is generally understood to mean gradual and continuous changes. What is the mean by evolution? Gradual and continuous changes. Evolution in the plant and animals world can be explained in the following manners. In the process of survival by adapting the environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animals or species. Over a period of time, these internal changes become inherited characteristics seen in all following generations. Thus, a new species with characteristic difference from a original may be created. Such a species is usually more evolved than the original one. Sometimes, the original species dies out or becomes extinct. Sometimes more than one species evolved from the original one. The first scientist to give us the systematic explanation of the concept of evolution was Charles Darwin. The species which are capable of adapting the environmental changes are able to survive. The one that cannot do so become extinct in the process of evolution. In ancient times, there were many species of a type of animals called dinosaur. Dino in a Greek means terrible and saurus means lizard or reptile. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. Now see, some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. It appears that the species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. Some sudden natural disaster or environmental changes is believed to be responsible for their extinction. Fossil of dinosaurs with wings have been discovered. It is believed that some species of 2 legs and wings dinosaurs evolved into the birds. Now see the stages of evolution of animals. The stages of evolution of animals. We have learnt in the previous lesson that life on earth began with uncellular organism known as protozoa. These uncellular organisms gave rise to multicellular living things. The multicellular organism evolved gradually and various classes of plants and animals came into being. Now the following are some stages of evolution of animal. First one is invertebrates. First one is invertebrate. Invertebrate means animal without a backbone are called invertebrates. Animal without a backbone are called a invertebrate. For example, a snail. The snail did not have a backbone. Now second one is vertebrates. The animal which have a backbone are called vertebrates. Now aquatic animals, for example fish. The next one amphibians. Amphibians means animal which live in water and also on land. For an example, frog. Amphibian types of animal, it means the animals which are live in water as well as on the land. Now next one is birds. Next reptiles. Animals which crawl, for example a snake. The animal which crawl is called as reptiles. Next one is mammals, for example a cow. Mammals means what? Mammals are the most evolved animals among vertebrates. The following are the characteristics of most of the mammals. First, growth of the baby in the mother's womb for some time before birth. The characteristics of mammal types of animals as the growth of the baby in the mother's womb for some time before birth, and second, the baby is fed on the mother's milk for some time after birth. The platypus and some species of anteater are exception to this. They are considered mammals because even though they lay eggs and suckle their young ones. Now next one, apes. Apes means what? Apes are somewhat like humans in appearances. They mostly live on trees. Those species of apes which continue to live on trees retain their original ape-like form. However, in grassland, some apes species were forced to move around in the ground. These species evolved gradually and at the time gave rise to the human species. This happened first on the African continent. The first human species is called the primitive man. Primitive means the first. In the next lesson we shall learn more about the evolution of human species. Now see